So y'all know I'm from Philly, so I've been keeping up with the stories about Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith as far as their lawsuits because y'all know after Will Smith slapped Chris Rock, things ain't been right with him since. And that really sucks because I feel like his movie King Richard should have been much bigger than it actually was. But because that situation happened before that movie came out, that movie did not get the acknowledgement that it deserved. But Will Smith did a really, really good job in that movie. But at any rate, I'm assuming he's trying to rebuild his career since that incident happened because people have been a little bit skeptical about him because once you get labeled with being violent, it's kind of hard to get people to work with you. But Will and Jada had two pending lawsuits, one coming from Will Smith's drummer and the other coming from Brother Bilal, which was Will Smith's, I guess, ex-best friend or his assistant. They had some type of business relationship that went south, and Brother Bilal went on a tour on a smear campaign saying all of this stuff about Will and Jada, and it turns out that she did sue him and he lost the case. So he has to pay her lawyer fees, and the lawsuit that Will Smith was facing that came from his drummer that stated that somebody broke into his room while he was out and left some type of HIV pills, which I think was probably PrEP, and left a letter in there stating that they wanted to come back or something like that. And he basically was saying that the only people that would have had access to his room is Will Smith's people and his team because he was on tour with them. And then shortly after that, he was let go when he didn't oblige to whatever this mysterious note said or whatever. Will Smith beat that case because they said that it was insufficient evidence. So they done found their way out of those two instances, and we're going to have to see what happens next. Because y'all know Sherelle Parker got him performing down at the 4th of July celebration this year with Jazzy Jeff. So I might try to find my way down there and live stream for y'all if I can. But don't hold me to it because if it's a little too hot or if it's too much going on, I'm keeping my behind in the house. So we'll also see what happens with that. I'll keep y'all posted and I will let y'all know whether I'll be down there that day or not. I know I had told y'all about these stories, so I just wanted to do a quick follow-up on what transpired. Now, y'all know how we do. Y'all come on down to the comments and let's talk about it because I do actually talk to y'all. I don't ignore y'all comments. So what do y'all think about these cases? Do y'all think they really beat these cases, or do y'all think they had enough money to beat these cases?